Hello guys, we are going to the Devkund waterfall. The Devkund waterfall situated at Bhira village near Bhira dam. The Devkund waterfall is 110 kilometers from Pune. If you have to go to Devkund waterfall from Pune, then you have to go through the Tamini. Tamini Ghat is more amazing in rainy season. But bike rides with friends make it more interesting. There are many waterfalls falling down in a Tamini Ghat. The views in Tamini Ghat are more amazing. To reach Devkund waterfall, you have to trek a 7 kilometers aside. This is a jungle trek alongside of a Bhira dam. The Bhira dam waters attract you to click some amazing picture and make unforgettable memories with your friends and special. In a heavy rains, they do not allow you to go to the Devkund waterfall for safety reasons. The views in trek are more amazing and unforgettable. At the end of a 7 kilometers trek, a beautiful Devkund waterfall shows his beauty. The memories with friends of these waterfalls are unforgettable.